We are here at Smash Customs, and today is a very special day because we get the chance to show you the inside of the shop, the history of Smash Customs, and an exclusive interview with the managers. So fasten your seatbelts and be our guest in the Whoever passes by Easter Myers Boulevard here at Mascotte sees Smash Customs like this, beautiful and sovereign. But when this business started back in 2016, it was only in an abandoned building in town. So this was the biggest restoration of Smash Customs. Over the course of the following year, we installed a downdraft paint booth, lifts, toolboxes. We developed our team of paint and mechanical, and nowadays we have the very best technology and highly trained technicians to work hard as a team to raise our level of expertise and service.